I'm getting ready to take my mom to this Taco Bell here where we have to eat because Wall Street and everybody else gets to eat all the good organic and great food that doesn't have monosano genetically altered stuff in it. So of course I don't have even any money. I have to borrow it from my mom, thank God. Even at $10, okay?
I just want a crunchy taco. I like crunchy.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, fine, thanks. How are you?
Go ahead and order whenever you're ready.
Okay, what is it you want?
Just a
taco?
Yeah.
Just one or two?
One. I don't.
You want soft or hard?
The hard one.
Hard one. Two? Okay.
One.
Just
whatever
one.
You want.
Okay. Can I get one crunchy taco?
What do you want?
And what do I want? Mexi melt minus pico sauce. And a nacho.
Don't you want a taco?
No thanks. And do you want something to drink? Yeah. What do you want?
Well, they don't have those things, Eli.
What? You want to get one of those things?
Yeah. Strawberry.
Can I get two strawberry frozen lemonades?
Regular or large?
Regular. Wait, is that the only flavors you guys have now?
Strawberry.
We also have mango or just regular strawberry.
Okay, do you want lemonade or just regular strawberry?
Regular strawberry.
Can I get just a regular strawberry and a regular lemonade?
Okay.
Okay, and that's it.
Would you like to try an apple empanada for $1 today?
A what?
A what?
An apple empanada.
What is
apple
that?
panada? No. Can I also have a water?
Okay, anything else for you?
That's it.
So your total is going to be $8.92 for window. Thank you.
Thank you.
Not cheap, huh?
No, now listen. That's what, $10?
God.
Everything's going up so high. They said that there's going to be a real shortage with the food and stuff.
Oh, I know where we are. Anne used to live out there.
Yeah, I know.
Hello, $8.92. Any sauce?
What sauce? No thanks.
Okay. Here's the water. Strawberry lemonade. Strawberry. And here's straws for you. There you go. Call the number on the back of your receipt. Let us know what we did for you.
Thank you. You too. Oh, you only have one taco, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, they give us straws too.
Can't imagine to be here. I used to go there I took care of her for what, 10 some more years.
Who? Oh, Anne?
Yeah.
Yeah, didn't she? Where did she used to live? Down this way?
There, yeah.
Over here, right?
You should drive off.
And those old lady apartments?
Nice. Yeah, they were nice apartments.
I wonder if the old lady still lived there. Would you
It's,
ever want to live there if you could?
yeah, it was nice.
It's a nice apartment, huh?
Yeah. She moved downstairs. She couldn't walk upstairs anymore.
Yeah, I remember. She was upstairs at first.
I even took her home one time and I almost got in trouble. Remember?
Yeah, I remember. We should drive by there, huh? You remember how to get there, doesn't it? Right around the corner?
Go down there.
Yeah, that's where you used to work for how long?
I don't know, years.
Look at that dog. Isn't he cute?
There's the black guy.
I don't know why they put those clothes on him though.
I know.
He looks handicapped, huh? You see how he's walking?
The black guy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a white guy with the cane. I wonder if they still have a drive-thru.
They sure don't put a lot of meat in there, especially. Look at that. Huh?
What?
Mm-hmm.
Mine is salty.